So I thought I'd start putting some stuff back on my channel. I'm just going to put some rides on, I think. I'm not sure what my channel's going to do, but we'll see. Observations and things like that. I might do a little bit of maintenance, but I am no motorbike mechanic. I'm no engineer. If you want that sort of stuff, I can recommend the workshop, Andy's Motorcycles, Andy's Motorcycle Obsessions, sorry. I will put them in the link. So obviously hazard up here are the cars turning, and Mr. X1, X5, whatever it is, riding on his brakes by the look of it. Very odd. Why is his brake lights on all the time? So 40 mirrors and 40 and a 40. Changed and a third on this bike. I'm sure people pick up on and comment on my riding, but hey, none of us are perfect, and every day's a school day, as they say. So he didn't look, did he? Never mind. We knew what he was going to do. So what have we got? We've got National coming up. So mirrors, always check mirrors, nobody overtaking. Horses over there. See, everybody can get distracted. So we're in the National, so 60 and a 60. My speedo does read wrong. And yes, occasionally there might be a few miles an hour extra on my speedo than the speed limit suggests. So along here, what am I thinking of? Deer, there's one. Give some more space. Van pulling out, his view's obstructed, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to move right out so he can see me. There you go, and that worked a treat, because he's had his fencing and his pedestrians blocking his view of me. 30 coming up, so I might sign off now. That's just a little introductory video, not sure how long it'll be, and we might do some different stuff. It might just be a bit of a sporadic content, but anyway, cheerio for now.